Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to install Badlion Client for Minecraft. So let's get started. First, open your browser and simply search Badlion Client. Click on this link. Press the download client button. Here you can see all the system supports. Click on download for your preferred system. Wait for it to download. And click to run installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation of Badlion Client on your computer. Once Badlion Client is installed, open it. And log in using your Minecraft account credentials. Then select the Badlion Client profile from the Minecraft launcher and start the game. Then you will have access to all the features and optimizations offered by Badlion Client while playing Minecraft. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.